Are you an expert who's ready to start making videos, but you're just a little camera shy, a little fearful, get a little tongue-tied, don't know what to say, just don't know the process for making videos? Well, keep watching because I'm going to share 6 secrets that will get you on the fast track right now. My name is Amani Channel. I'm the video fearless dude who helps you build video muscle. I help experts, business owners, coaches, and consultants, service providers make videos with confidence so they can serve more, share more, to sell more. And I also share easy, simple video production techniques. You don't have to spend a bundle. You can just follow my techniques and start making awesome videos without any production skills. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and keep watching because I'm about to share 6 video confidence secrets. So if you've really been challenged, if you've tried to make videos or you've just thought about making videos and you just get nervous, you get anxious, it's not your fault because I actually am a former news reporter. I still work in the broadcast industry. I'm a producer though now. And the reason why I don't report on camera is a different story because I actually was a successful news reporter. I worked as a news reporter for about 10 years. When I first got started, I was terrible. I was really awful. I'll get nervous, anxious. I just struggled. I stumbled for many, many moons until I got some help. So first of all, you just might need some awesome or better advice if you're really struggling. And I have developed a formula that really works. I call it the video confidence formula. So if you'd like to learn more about it, keep watching because I'm going to share 6 secrets that will get you on the fast track, and you won't find these anywhere else online, the formula that I developed, and it works like magic. I've worked with folks all around the world. I've worked actually with introverts, extroverts, business owners, coaches. It works for anyone really who wants to start making videos with confidence. All right, I'm going to share my exact formula with you right now. First thing you need to do is commit. Commitment is really important because if you're not committed to improving, to getting better, if you really struggle, you're gonna have to be committed because it won't happen overnight. Now, it could happen quickly for you. I've helped people get confident and learn how to speak on camera as quick as like in 15 minutes, but it could take longer for you. It just really depends upon your temperament. It depends upon how quickly you grasp the concepts that I teach you. All right, but getting committed is important. So that's the first step. The second thing you gotta do is gear up. So you have to have the equipment. You got to have the camera, the lights, the microphone, have a background, all the above. If you really are a professional, you want to present your information and seem credible. Because just think, if I was just like, if my background was disheveled, you know, you just be like, who is this guy? If I wasn't like, you know, if I just didn't look the part or sound the part, you'd be like, who is this guy? So that's why having the gear is important. It's important to have the gear and know how to use it. Now, the third thing you need to do is plan, like I say, plan like a Jedi, but just plan for video success. You plan by everything. So your plan is really important because that's where you develop your messaging, who you're speaking to, what problem you're going to solve in your video. All that is figured out in the plan. You'll know what gear, when you're going to shoot, who's going to edit it. Like everything should be figured out in the plan. Now, once you have your messaging figured out, especially, that's when you go to the next step, which is the 4th step, and that is practicing. Now, practicing and commitment kind of go hand in hand because you got to gain some momentum, and that's only going to be gained if you practice. So practice regularly, practice often, practice on Instagram stories, on Facebook stories, practice to your phone, record your message on your phone, practice in the home studio, in your setup where you're going to record your videos. You got to practice. You got to know your information back and forth because when it's time to record, if you're not practiced and well rehearsed, the stress of recording a video, your nerves may get the best of you. That's what used to happen to me. All right, so once you practice and you're almost ready, then you just have to relax. And I say you relax by breathing out all your stress and anxiety. So I get most nervous, like public speaking, like if I'm in a group or if I'm speaking at a conference or in a workshop. I don't really get nervous, super nervous when I'm just recording a video because it's almost second nature to me. But that wouldn't have come if I wouldn't have practiced for many moons and had many reps of getting it in. But when all this fails, like I'll take some cleansing breaths. So one time I was giving a presentation. It was actually to a bunch of youth. And I found myself getting a little bit nervous, a little bit worked up. I found myself just like, just a little bit. So what did I do? In the middle of my presentation, I slowed everything down. And I breathed away my I just calm my nerves, right? So when you take some deep breaths, it will sort of bring your body back into a relaxed state, into your natural state. So it's always good to have a mechanism to relax, whether you have to do some yoga, whether you just have to do some meditation, some visualizations, whatever you have to do to calm yourself down, do that. So then after you've done all those 5 steps, you're down to the last step now. Now is when you can record your video, all right? So that's when you record, you go live on Facebook, etc. So if you've done all these 6 steps and you rinse and repeat them, you should and you will get video confident. Now, if you want to review the information, I suggest you download my 6 Video Confidence Secrets book. All right, there's a link in the description. There's also a link that I pinned below. Download it now if you want to get video confident. And if you really want to get the fast track, you should schedule a free call with me in which I'll learn your challenges. I'll develop an action plan to help you quickly develop your confidence so you can share more, serve more to sell more, or serve more, share more to sell more. Because that's all we want to do. We want to reach more people. We want to have a greater impact. I want to serve more people. I'm sure you want to serve more people. But hey, not all of us are comfortable on camera, because I say 90% of us aren't. And that goes if you're introverted or extroverted, because speaking on camera isn't supernatural, all right? It's just a device. It's not a person. It doesn't give you any feedback. And it takes a while to get used to speaking. I was talking to one lady, she was like, yeah, I mean, I'm a good listener. I can respond when people are listening. Look, when you're talking to a camera, it is not a two-way form of communication, other than the fact that there's another person watching this. Eventually, you may watch this video, but when I'm recording it, I'm just in my home space. It's just me and the camera, and it takes some getting used to. But if you follow my 6 video confidence secrets, if you follow those hacks, you'll be on the fast track. So remember, step number 1, commit. Step number 2, gear up. Step number 3, plan. Step number 4, practice. Step number 5, relax. And step number 6, record your video. So if you can do all those things, you will become camera confident. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video. Don't forget to download my Video Confidence Secrets book. Don't forget to schedule a free 15-minute call if you'd like a free call with me. And watch one of these videos, awesome videos, if you'd like to learn more, because I create this content regularly on a weekly basis, if not daily, to help you become camera confident. Get video fearless, watch another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.